Today is March the 1st, Sunday, and last night we had some snow come through. Some freezing rain first and some snow. It's cold. It's about 26 degrees right now and the wind's blowing. And you can tell by the way I walk, you can hear it. It's real icy and crunchy under there. But it's supposed to get up to 39 today. Sunshiny all day. So this will probably not be around very long. I think the high tomorrow is 49. And my Bradford pears had some pretty white little blooms on them. They were all just starting to bloom. Anyway, it's pretty. We don't get it very often, so I thought I'd get a couple of videos of it. That's it. I'm going in.